In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect an API to Power BI. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Power BI on your computer. From the ribbon at the top, click on the Home tab. Next, click on Get Data. This option allows you to connect Power BI to different data sources, including web-based APIs. In the list of available data sources, search for Web and select it. Click Connect to continue.
A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a URL. This is where you'll enter the API endpoint that provides the data you want to import. Copy your API URL and paste it into the URL field. Then click OK. Power BI will connect to the API and retrieve the available data. Depending on the API and the amount of data being requested, this may take a few moments. Once the data loads, you'll see a preview of the available information.
Review the data to make sure you're getting the information you need. If everything looks correct, select the appropriate table or data and click Load. Power BI will then import the API data into your report, where you can use it to create charts, tables, dashboards, and other visualizations. Keep in mind that some APIs require authentication, API keys, or additional headers. In those cases, you may need to configure the connection or use Power Query to properly handle the API request.
And that's how to connect an API to Power BI. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.